Hello, welcome to an unboxing video. Today it's not really an unboxing, but it's something of, actually wait, sorry, one more time. Hello, my name is Toaster, welcome to the channel. Today we're gonna be doing an unboxing, or should I say,
an unbagging
video. So this is a Yugoslavian med pack of some kind, and I was very fortunate that it includes a lot of the things you might need if you were in a situation where you need medical assistance. So as you can see, let's start with the pack itself. The pack is made of some kind of material, so it's got adjustable strap. Let's just get some good focus on this. It's not very, well stitched, but that's communism. And if you notice on the back, you've also got these great belt loops. You can put this pack on your belt if you were so inclined. I am not necessarily that person, but it's something that you could consider doing. So let's look at the pack. So let's undo these snaps right here. All right. Now, as you can see, there's a whole lot of stuff in here. And you got this kind of rubberized interior so that it's at least slightly waterproof. Alright, and now let's start just pulling some shit out. So first thing we have are some hensaplasts. Now I think in some parts of the world they call these plasters, but if you're like me, you call them band-aids because they're band-aids. We also have a plantena paveska za arterio. This might be some kind of tourniquet. Sterilized gauze. Alu folia. It expires in 1986, so I don't recommend you use this. We have some truglamarama. It's finally we have what looks like medical gauze. More gauze, probably so you can put this into the place where you get shot. Two of these compressed gauze pouches. It's sterilized, but I don't know. It's kind of got some yellowing on it. I don't know where that would come from. Next up, we have an unspooled thing of gauze. So, guess some hungry beavers got into that. What the? This is in Japanese. Okay, well, this appears to be crystals. I don't know how that got in there, but now I'm a little bit concerned. We got this roll of gauze over here. Some more of this shit. And finally, we get more of this shit. We get these big, we got two more of these little rolls over here of gauze. And finally, I don't know what this is, but it says it's sterilized. And finally, this is the third one in a different color, I guess, because Yugoslavia. And finally, a bunch of pins and tape so you can hold all that shit together. There you have it, boys. This is what is inside a Yugoslavian army pack, and this was the 80s. This would have been your main line of survival if you were in the Yugoslav People's Army. Fun fact, I believe that Slavoj Žižek was in the Yugoslavian army, and this is what he would have had. So had he had an injury? So I'm sure you guys are dying to see what's inside. So if you're ready to hop onto my Patreon, there's going to be some premium content where you can see all the stuff that you want to see. So, for all your cooking videos and gauze opening videos, just hop over to my Patreon, Buster. I told you that it was all going to be only for Patreon subscribers, but I decided I'm going to add a freebie just so you guys can really
experience the fun.
So I said, I don't know what this is, but I think, look. This was made in a country that no longer exists. This would appear to be a tourniquet, and you got a little patch here. I guess you put this over the place so that this giant metal clasp doesn't hurt you. So if you were injured, for example, right, and you've got a tourniquet, your thing, you would cut off all blood flow to this plate. I don't know what this strap is for, but maybe you could, I've heard that tourniquets are really dangerous if you don't know what you're doing, because you can cause gangrene by cutting off blood flow. But if you are worried about being murdered and you need to just protect yourself, you can always use a tourniquet to stop blood flow in the area where you have an arterial wound shooting out blood. Alright, friends, and if you want to remove the tourniquet, there you go. Easy like that. Who needs one of those expensive tourniquets when you got this? This will just maybe save your life.